So today we're going to install RAM. We take out the cover and then we look inside the motherboard, and then we should find 2 sticks or maybe 1 stick for most computers, and then we unclip these little clips here, and then we take out the RAM, and again we just take out the clips and then take it out. To install it, you have to find the middle of the chip or near to the middle, and then at each side you just place it down gently like so, and then you press hard, and then you push in the clips, and same again here, and you push it in. And like that, and after that to check out if the RAM is working, when you start up your computer, it should say how much RAM you got. This is Faris Arab, thank you for listening.